How to insert a picture in Excel cell. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Excel file in which you want to include the picture. After that, from the ribbon tab, go to Insert. Choose the option of Picture. Once you do, you will see the drop-down menu. From that drop-down menu, simply click on any one of the options. If you want to include the picture from your device, click on this device and from File Explorer choose the picture. Tap and hold on the picture and click on Format at the top in ribbon and there you go. That is how easily you can insert picture in Excel cell. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.